All right, today we're gonna be working on a hip rotation, and this is gonna help a lot to help you build up some mobility in the hips. Now, I would highly recommend while you're doing this movement to find either a wall, a pole, something for you to lean your weight on just slightly so that you can keep your balance throughout this movement. This isn't so much of a balance thing, so if you have to lean a little more weight of your body weight against it, that's totally okay. We're focusing on the hips, okay? So how this is gonna work is we're gonna lift our knee up and rotate. What we're rotating is basically you're taking your knee here and drawing a circle, lifting it as high as you can. So this point at the top should be as high as you can bring your knee up into the air. With this particular movement, we're going to be doing this both clockwise and counterclockwise, so check the workout to see which way to go. Now, if you notice, I'm pretty much only moving this section of my body right here. Anything from the knee downwards should not be moving. Actually, you honestly don't even need to pay attention to that area. Just relax it and focus on everything between the knee and the hips. A couple things that you want to watch out for. As you bring your knee up, bring it up as high as you can without pulling your entire upper body inwards along with it. We should be standing up nice and tall, core engaged throughout this entire movement. And last thing is, this is not one of the movements that we want to rush through. This is not trying, or your goal shouldn't be to get through this as quickly as possible. Take your time with this one. Make sure your muscles are engaged through each step of the movement there and all throughout this exercise. So, thanks for watching. That is your hip rotation.